Well guys, check this one out. As we sit in our roof tent annex, it's pretty chilly. It's still winter, by the way. It's going to be about 2 degrees tonight, so we'll have a nice chilly evening. We thought we'd try this one out. Adventure Food. It's a Dutch company. We bought this in Holland. We bought a couple of these things. This is the spaghetti bolognese, pasta bolognese. And as you can see down here, it shows you exactly what they do. Give me a quick flip on the back side. Very easy. Here are the ingredients.
Can't see that.
Can't see the ingredients, but there are real ingredients in here, weirdly. What you do, open it up, pour water in, leave it for 8 minutes, and then you can eat it right out the bag. This is more for a hiking kind of thing. I think it'll cost about $5. We thought we'd give it a go. Pasta, anybody likes pasta bolognese. So let's open it up on the little thing, if we can.
That's a good sign.
And we can. Oh, there we go. There you go, as you might have expected. And what we need to do is open up the base. So we've got something to sit down on. That's a better thing. And then there's a little mark here. Here is where we put our water in. So we boiled some water. This is what we prepared earlier. Let's see how far we get. About here, a little bit more. Now we got to stir it up using our brand new plastic spoon. Yeah, you got to stir it up. Yeah.
Is it Bob Marley? Stir it up. Or was it Eddie Grant? I can't remember.
Dude.
I know, sacrilege.
You need to work on your music talents. So you need to stir it up a little bit just to get the water everywhere. And all of it's done. And then we close it. Close it. This is how we're going to roll it. Leave it for 8 minutes. Check in 8 minutes. The time's going in right now.
Check. Which gives us time to enjoy our primi piatti.
So we got some green stuff coming in, although this is also green.
It doesn't qualify as green, sorry.
Let's see what's in the box. That's why you need 8 minutes for the pasta to get a little bit of volume, I think.
And the peas to dehydrate.
So give it a little bit of a mix as well now, and now you eat it right out the bag. Let's pretend we've been hiking. For those of you who don't own a Land Rover, you might not know it's quite hard work. So I think we've earned a little bit of calories. 600 calories, kilocalories in this one.
It's a transmission box, right?
First impressions are it's a bit bland. Maybe I'm not hungry enough. We've had our hors d'oeuvres while we were waiting 8 minutes. Very nice salad from Vic. Do get a bit of peas in there. A lot of peas. Bit of tomato. Not much spice is the thing. So I don't know if we want to add a bit of pepper in there. Or a bit of salt. On the package it says it's 58% pasta. Obviously you need your carbos when you're walking or hiking. 7% meat for those of you who are not vegan. A little bit of onion in there. There's tomato, peas, real peas, and all that, and all the other stuff that they add in there. Now it's basically just like a tomato. It tastes to me like tomato soup.
It smells very tomatoey.
So I don't know if that's the intention or not. That's my own opinion. I can understand that if you're carrying this around, it's very lightweight.
As long as you leave a mouthful for me to try.
Nah, I'm gonna go, man. I'm still hungry. So maybe we'll pass it over and see what management has to say.
It's better than I thought it would be. It actually tastes kind of like real food. I don't know what I was expecting. Tastes more hydrated than I kind of imagined. Marcel is 100% correct. It tastes very much like tomato soup. Yeah, it does the job. I mean, if you're up in the mountains and you've managed to boil some water, this is a very welcome, replenishment of the energy that you'll need to get yourself back down again. So yeah, thumbs up in that regard. It's lightweight. It does this thing. You can cook everything in one bag. That's really, really cool. As a meal replacement, no, sorry, honey. We're keeping our kitchen and all our spices.
Oh man. Thanks for watching. Keep rolling, guys. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.